Hey there, YouTube friends. I've got a question for you. Do you like roller coasters? I don't really. I like teacups. In fact, the teacups I like the most are the ones that I take after my investments go wrong. I smash them against the wall. No, I'm just kidding. But I've got a bit of a roller coaster story just for you. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. And when we're talking roller coasters in the market, you know what we're talking about. We're talking about Bitcoin. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin all the time. It seems like we can't escape it. Bitcoin today crossed $13,000 a Bitcoin. That's right. Bitcoin opened the year in 2017 under $1,000, and today it crossed 13,000. Earlier today, well, less than 24 hours ago at least, it crossed $12,000. So this Bitcoin thing, it really seems to be taking some sort of a hold. People really like the blockchain technology of it all, and the hype seems to be driving the price ever higher. Even though we had Jack Bogle come out yesterday from Vanguard say no dice on Bitcoin, we've heard it from Jamie Dimon. Analyst after analyst have come out and basically bemoaned the entire idea as nothing but a bubble. We had a 20% dip in the price of Bitcoin last week, but that dip was quite short-lived as the gains just keep on coming. We love gains, don't we? I'm not overly enamored with Bitcoin, but I'd be hard-pressed to say that the media and investors aren't fairly intrigued with the way that Bitcoin's playing out in front of our very eyes. Where it's going to go in 2018, I couldn't tell you. In fact, I couldn't tell you intraday where I think it's going to go, even though the trends seem to be pointing north. I'm not advising anybody to get invested in Bitcoin. Please talk to your licensed professional financial advisor. Don't listen to a guy with a pink dolphin on his shirt. That's not a smart idea. But Bitcoin, it's got everybody's attention. There's no question about that. The market capitalization of Bitcoin, its worth, is roughly around $220 billion. That's right now, but Bitcoin's price changes so frequently, who knows what it's going to be worth by the time you're watching this video. That would put Bitcoin in the 20 largest companies in the S&P 500. Yeah, the 20 largest with a $220 billion market cap. Bitcoin is massive. There's no denying that. It scares the bejesus out of me. I'm staying as far away from it as possible and spending my time throwing teacups at the wall. But I'd be remiss to tell you that it isn't somewhat enticing just watching the money flow. But I know that it's probably best to stay on the sidelines and see just how this plays out. I think there's too much good in the economy right now to venture into something that's just so speculative. On Sunday coming up, the CBOE is going to start futures trading with Bitcoin. And the following week, the biggest futures exchange, the CME out of Chicago, is going to do the same. Bitcoin is adding quite a bit of legitimacy. It's tough to deny what's going on. I just don't know if I would actually invest any of my money in it as opposed to sit on the sidelines and watch it all play out. You got to make your own decisions. You're a smart investor. You know what you're doing. Please speak to your licensed professional financial advisor. Do your due diligence before making any type of investments. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Thanks for joining us again. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Thumbs up for this video, all videos. Thumbs up to you guys who are making money in Bitcoin. Kudos for taking those kind of risks. Not a risk I'm willing to take. And comments. We love hearing from you. We want to know what you think about all this Bitcoin jazz that's going on out there. Enlighten me, please. Maybe you could change my opinion on things. I'm finding myself relatively pliable on this beautiful Wednesday evening. Have yourselves an outstanding rest of your night.